Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss all the important chapters related to your first term syllabus. Now in today's class, dear students, we take and discuss some other important chapter of your syllabus, which is polynomials, and in that chapter we discuss about the algebraic identities, and based on algebraic identities we take and solve some important questions of your syllabus. So let's take some important questions related to algebraic identity. So first of all, we take and discuss all the important algebraic identities related to your syllabus. Let's see. So some important, first one, you know that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is a very common algebraic identity, you know that very well. Second one is a minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Third one, this is the form of a square minus b square, this is a plus b in one bracket and a minus b in another bracket. Third one, what? A plus b whole cube is what? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab in bracket a plus. This is also very important algebraic identities related to your syllabus. Next one, a minus b whole square, this is a square plus b, sorry, cube, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab in bracket a minus b. This is also a very important identity. And next one, this is a cube plus b cube. This one, the identity, the formula for a cube plus b cube is what? A plus b in one bracket and in another bracket this is a square minus ab plus b square. A square minus ab plus b square. Second one was, this is a cube minus b cube. This is a minus b in one bracket and in another bracket this is a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, this is a very important identity. And next one, which is also very important, this is a plus b plus c whole square is equal to, this is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. This is also very important algebraic identity, and we can write this identity in this way also. Look, a square plus b square plus c square plus, if we take 2 as common, so we get what? ab plus bc plus ca. This is the identity of a plus b plus c whole square. Okay, and finally we discuss one more algebraic identities which are involved in your chapter. So this is very important also. Now first of all, you learn all these identity. After that you practices the questions based on each identity, which is very important, dear friends, for you and your upcoming exam. Okay, dear friends, so please do more and more practices of that type of questions, and after that you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Now, dear students, we take and discuss last and very important algebraic identities related to your syllabus. Let's see. And this one last and very important algebraic identity is what? Let's see. This is very important algebraic identity, which is equal to what? This is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to what? A plus b plus c in one bracket and in another bracket a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. This is a very important algebraic identity. You know that very well. Here there are some important. We can write this algebraic identities in this way also, or we can write a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to, this is a plus b plus c in one bracket and in another bracket this is a square plus b square plus c square minus take as common, so we get ab plus bc plus ca. Okay, so this identity, this algebraic identities we can write in this way also. From these three terms we take minus as common. We take what? Minus as common, so we get ab plus bc plus c respectively. Okay, now look, so in this way this is a plus b plus c and this is a square plus b square plus c square minus taken as common, so ab plus bc plus c. Okay, now a very important condition for that identity which is very helpful you. Okay, this is very helpful. Now look, if conditions are there, if the value of a plus b plus c becomes 0, suppose that this is a very important condition. If the sum of three terms like ab plus a plus b plus c becomes 0, then according to that identity, if we put here a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then the whole term becomes what? 0, because of 0 into anything is what? Equal to 0 now. Yes, so if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then the whole term, the right hand side of this identity is equal to 0. So we get, then from there we get what? A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc becomes 0, because if we put the value of a plus b plus c is equal to 0, okay, if we put a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then the right hand side of this identity is also equal to 0. Okay, so this is a very important. Now we also transfer minus 3ab that side abc, so we can write a cube plus b cube plus 3c cube is equal to 3abc. So this is the very important result. This is the very important result, okay, regarding to that identity. So dear student, in this way you can, first of all, you consider, you learn all the important concept related to that identity. After that you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Okay, now we take and solve some important questions based on these identity. Let's see. And the question is, if x plus if x plus 1 upon x is equal to 6, find the values of first x square plus 1 upon x square and second one x power 4 plus 1 upon x power 4. Okay, this is the very important identity. Let's see. Now let's see its solution. This one we have x plus 1 upon x is equal to 6. Now look, first of all we take and solve the first part of this question. Dear student, in first part of this question we just find the value of x square plus 1 upon x square. We find what? The value of x square plus 1 upon x square. Na? So what I do for that? Dear student, we just squaring both sides. We just squaring both sides of the given expression. Okay, we just squaring both sides of the given expression. So we get what? Let's see. So we get x plus 1 upon x whole square is equal to 6 square. Is equal to what? 6 square. Okay. Now, so we get a square plus b square. We apply the identity now. Here we apply the identity a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here we apply that identity. So a square plus b square plus this for 6 is the 36 is there. 6 is the 36 is there. Now we get here x cancel to each other, so we get x square plus x square 1 upon x square plus 2 is equal to 36. So now this is x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 36 minus 2, that is what? Is equal to 34. So in this way, this is the required solution of the given questions. Now what I do? Now, dear students, we also find the value of what? X to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4. Now look, from this result, now we take and solve. Since we have x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 34, now again squaring both sides of the given result is equal to 34 square. So we get a square means x power 4, okay, plus b square means x power 1 upon x to the power 4 plus 2 into a into b is equal to 34 square. The a and a 1156. Okay, so here if you squaring both sides, then we get that result. Now from there, here x square is what? Cancel to each other, so we get what? We get as equal to 1156 minus 2, that is 1154. This is the so this is the required solution of the given question. Okay, so in this way you can use the identity and solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these identity. Now, dear student, we take and solve some other important NCERT questions of your NCERT exercise. Look. expand minus 2x plus 5y plus minus 3z. This is your question. Means expand the given identity. This is a very important questions of your NCERT exercise. Okay, now look its solution. What is the process to solve that question? Let's see its solution. Since we know that a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, this is the identity. Just to discuss about that. Plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now, here we expand the given identity based according to that. Okay. Now, so first of all, we can write this value in this way: identity minus 2x plus 5y plus minus 3z whole square. So first of all we arrange the given identity in this way. Okay, first of all we arrange the given identity in this way. Now look what I get. Now here the value of a is what? Minus 2x. The value of b is what? Minus 2y. And the value of c is what? Minus 3z. Now look, now we expand it. So we have a square means minus 2x square plus b square 5y square plus c square means minus 3z square. A square plus b square plus c square. Okay, plus AB 2 into A into B. A means what? This is, and B means what? Plus 2AB in this way plus 2BC. B means what? 5y. C means what? Minus 3z plus 2BC. Okay, and plus 2CA. 2 into C means minus 3z. A means what? Minus 2x. So first of all, dear student, we put all the values on the identity. Now we expanded it. 2 to the, this is 4x square. This is 25y square. Here plus 3 to the, because minus square is converted into the plus. So here 3 to the, this is 9z square. And plus minus minus. Okay. 2 to the 4 5 the 20. This is 20 xy. Here plus minus, this is minus 2 5 30. 30 is the 30 yz. And here minus plus and plus 3 to the 6 to the 12 zx. This is 12 zx. So dear student, this is the required solution of the given question. Okay, so this is a very important identity. This is a very important question based on the algebraic identity. So please, dear students, do more and more practices, and after that you can solve that type of questions. Okay. Now we take and solve one more question, and the question is, if a square plus b square plus c square a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 250 and ab plus bc plus ca and ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 3. Find a plus b plus c. Find the value of a plus b plus c. Now let's see its solution. So here we use the identity since we know that a plus b plus c whole square is equal to what? This is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times ab plus bc plus ca. ab plus bc plus ca. Okay. Now we put the value of a square plus b square plus c square and ab plus bc plus ca in that identity because of we find the value of a plus b plus c. Now we put all the values. We get, look, this is, we can write a plus b plus c as it is equal to a square plus b square plus c square, that is 250. Okay, because of the value of a square plus b square plus c square is 250 now. Yes, plus 2 times ab plus bc plus c is equal to 3. ab plus bc plus c is equal to 3. Now look, so we have 250 plus 3 to the 6. 3 to the 6. So we get as whole square is equal to 256. So that is, we can write a plus b plus c is equal to under root 256. And dear students, you know that the square root of 256, the square root of 256 is what? 16. Okay, so we can write a plus b plus c is equal to plus minus 16. This is the required solution of the given question. This is the required solution of the given question. So this is the method to solve that type of question. Let's see once more time. First of all, we use the identity a plus b plus c whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times ab bc ca. And after that we find the value of ab plus bc plus ca now. So we put the values of a square plus b square plus c square and ab plus bc plus ca in the given identity and simplify them. Okay, and after putting the values like 250 plus this is 2 is in formula, and the value of ab plus bc plus ca is 3, so 3 to the 6, so this is 250 plus 6, that is 256, that is 256. So and now this is in that left hand side, this is square now. So if we remove the square, so in that side we write its square root, and you know that the 16 is the square root of 256. So the required answer is a plus b plus c is equal to plus minus 16. Plus minus 16. So this is a very important questions. So please just do more and more practice on that type of question. After that you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Now dear students, in next class we take and discuss some other important questions and topic related to your syllabus. Okay dear students, now thanks to all and do more and more practices.